Well, the game may have been everything the Tigers fans wanted, but the weather certainly wasn't. Not a good opening day, was
That's
it?
another story. 13 on your side, Chief Meteorologist George Lessons, who's always hitting a home run for us, is out on the weather deck.
Thank you. We always try to come home safe, don't we? Slide in.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, hopefully no sliding around tonight. We do have some snow flurries on the way. I might whiten the ground up in a few spots up in the north along the lake shore, but the rain is over for now. 13 weather ball is still blinking bright. Now we've got a few flurries overnight. It's also green. Another chilly day foreseen in the 40s. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. With a smidgen of sunshine, temperatures climbed up into the mid 40s, low 40s off to the north. Only 39 up in Ludington. We forecast 44 today. We came within 1 degree of that forecast high. We've done that 5 days in a row, and I think we have to go all the way back to the 24th, where we only had 1 miss during that 2-week period. Done pretty well in the last 14 days. A little bit of light rain across the area. Updating that in Grand Rapids, that's 0.08 for the day today. Again, just a few hundredths of an inch being reported across much of the region, and we are running that surplus. After a very dry start to the year, we are now running a surplus for the last month, anywhere between 1.5 inches to as much as 3 3/4 inches all across the state of Michigan, including up north. Upper level winds are still driving our weather patterns as they always do, but that upper level low is now retreating off to the east, and by the end of the weekend, we're going to start to see our winds turn around to the southwest, and that is going to bring in some warmer weather through at least early Thursday. Got a cold front that's coming in right through here. That starts on Thursday, and that's going to introduce some cooler weather for the upcoming weekend once again. So after getting into the 60s to near 70 midweek, we're going to be back down into the low 50s. Rain has moved to the east. Now we're going to see some light snow flurries come in overnight. They'll be done by about 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning, so we don't have them in the forecast for tomorrow because 90% of the day will be dry. A little bit of clearing late in the day along the lake shore, and then starting the day with sunshine on Sunday before some high clouds come on in. Now the models are trying to print out some noisy rain from Grand Rapids off to the south. That's overnight Sunday night, but most of the rain will come now during the day on Monday. Originally it looked like it was going to come in maybe late afternoon and evening. Looks like it's going to be with us earlier in the day on Monday, but that's going to move out quickly. Several rounds of this next week. Does this look familiar? Showers on Tuesday, showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm on Wednesday, especially early in the day as that cold front goes through. And then as we get toward next weekend, we'll be followed by cooler weather and mainly dry. Again, there'll be some times where it's going to be raining, especially starting on Monday through next Thursday morning. You can see some areas getting well over 1 inch of rain during that 5-day period, maybe a couple of inches down along I-94. So the wet weather pattern continues, although it is going to definitely be warmer. But as we get toward the last half of April and early part of May, every Friday this comes out, says we're going to see equal chances for warmer or cooler temperatures. Not a lot of cool weather expected across the U.S. with the exception of the Pacific Northwest. Warm in the Southwest and maybe in the extreme New England areas. In terms of rainfall, not many, if any, areas are going to see more rain than usual. Again, maybe way up here in the Olympic Peninsula, but dry in the Southwest. The rest of the country going to see usual amounts of rain and snow during that 2-week period. Forecast for tomorrow, maybe a stray flurry in the morning, but generally cloudy skies. Maybe it's some late day breaks at the lakeshore. Highs will be around 40 in Ludington and Hart, low 40s in Muskegon and Holland, down towards South Haven. Up north around the low 40s, that's quite a bit lower than our average high, but under cloudy skies, maybe some late day clearing. And after a brief flurry in the morning, we'll see mostly cloudy skies the rest of the day, highs in the low and possibly mid 40s. 13 on your side forecast. Mid-50s on Sunday with morning sunshine, afternoon clouds. There's that chance of a shower Sunday night off to the south. And then the second round of rain comes in on a Monday with highs in the 60s. Originally, we thought it would get warmer on Tuesday, but that rain on Monday is going to hold our temperatures down on Tuesday, but we'll still make the upper 60s on Wednesday, a little bit humid. Showers and thunderstorms coming on through into Wednesday night before they end Thursday morning. And you can see after that system goes through, we cool off for the Easter holiday weekend. Very windy Friday that drives our temperatures back down into the mid 40s for next Saturday and Sunday.